Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to block images file such as JPG, GIF, PNG from search engine indexing in website. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are going to add code in .htaccess file. So you can use this code for both WordPress and PHP file. So we are going to prevent our media file from indexing by search engine. So this is our image link. Now copy, go to website and we are going to check online. Now you see X report tag added checker. Now paste and then click on check. Now you see result X report tag does not prevent indexing. So we are going to fix it. Now go to .htaccess file. So we are in .htaccess file and we are going to paste code, and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. Now you see file match and then you see file format PNG, JPG, GIF. So you can add according to your requirement, and then you see address set X report tag no index, no archive, no snippet. We are going to add more, no follow, and then click on save changes. Now saving .htaccess and then you see success message. Now go to media library. Now copy file URL again, go to online website to check. Now open page again, then add your image link and then click on check again, and then you see result X report tag prevent indexing, parameter no index, no follow, no archive, no snippet. So you can prevent your media file by indexing from search engines like Google. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.